Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Wilcox here. Happy Wednesday and also happy Earth Day. Today is Earth Day and I have some really fun things planned for us. Earth Day is a day when we think about our planet and how we can make choices to help our planet stay nicer and greener and healthier for longer. So I'm going to change my screen and show you what we're going to be learning today. All right, here I am on our Wednesday page, and since today is Earth Day, all of our activities today are Earth Day themed. And so tomorrow on Zoom, we're going to be reading A Time for Kids. That's about preserving and protecting our Earth, and I'm really excited about that. Here's some other ways that you can contact me throughout the week. All right now you're watching my video, which is excellent. That's a great first step. And then after that, I have this video about everything Earth Day. So the science channel that we've watched before, they go in and talk about lots and lots of ways how we can clean up and keep our Earth nice and protected and be really respectful and responsible citizens of the Earth. And so I'm excited for you to watch that video. After you see that, I would like for you to talk with your families and come up with one thing that you can all do to help protect our planet. And then I would like for you to write that idea down for us to use later on in an activity today. All right, so for math, I have this week we're learning about time, and so I thought, what better way than to learn about why we have time on Earth? And so this video is going to show you about rotation and revolution and how those two processes together help us get our 24-hour clock, that is our day. And so I'm excited for you to learn a little bit more about the reasons behind us having some time and having to learn about it. All right, for our healthy habits and our drawing videos, we're learning more about our Earth and how we can reduce, reuse, and recycle. Those 3 R's are super important, and that's something that we should strive to do each and every day at our house in our daily lives. So after you watch that video, did you come up with any other ways that you and your family can reduce, reuse, and recycle at your house? So today we're thinking about all of those 3 R's and ways that we can help our planet by using those 3 R's and coming up with new ways to take care of our planet and to take care of the things that we're not using anymore. All right? Our art today is drawing an Earth that's shaped like a heart. I hope you really like that activity, and that will kind of help bring out your Earth Day spirit. So, my friends, I hope you have a great Wednesday. I will see you on Zoom if you're coming at 11 a.m. Otherwise, happy Earth Day. Happy halfway through our week, and I hope you have an excellent, excellent day. Bye.